know how fast heat transfers through a vacuum?
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
I don't know. I was just guessing, man.
It's
Like,
very damn close to it doesn't. The only thing that will actually do it is radiation. So the only reason you'll lose heat from your drink is it either goes through the lid, because that doesn't have vacuum seal, or literally just heat radiation through the metals. So but if you do it in the dishwasher and it gets too hot, you can break the vacuum seal, and when that happens, it goes shoop, fills up with air, and then you just pop off the bottom, lid may not fit anymore, and then of course, the worst thing you could do is like if you fill it all the way up and then it floods into the vacuum compartment, you get a liquid inside the seal. Yeah, that would be pretty bad. If they compress, then I fill it with my hot tea and look outside, you look outside, and it's cold really fast.
see you later.
That's why the Aquos class it's that way, so that way. It's like it looks like a typical water bottle because it comes out of a very small point rather than a large one.
Why is it
Microsoft has so many shortcuts, they ran out of letters.
So you start doing the
Yeah,
same one multiple times
like
in a row?
Control KO.
Well, okay, I get it if you're holding one down and you press another. I didn't know they had do a message, do it again.
No, you can still do that.
Well, how would you do it here? Control R,
Control
R.
tap tap.
So I actually have a question about A-Star that I want to think about.
I thought
So
I'm
I
like,
have a really good
I thought you were
idea
saying
about
you
what I
hold down the
want
R
to do,
the
open
whole
list
time, and I'm
close
like,
list and how to take advantage of
what?
it. But what I was getting a little stuck on.
Explain that to me physically. How do you hold it down and then tap it? Okay, okay. So,
Okay, let's say I
help
start
me out
exploring
here.
this way down the tree, and then all of a sudden I
Deserialization
need to start
here
exploring this way.
relies on this component
But let's say I
deserialized
get all the way
macro.
down here,
This
and then my
component
solution's
deserialized
actually
macro
right here.
relies
But I found
on
it at the end.
contents of
How do I
component
know that my
list
solution set
Now,
is
the
just
only
there?
reason that this doesn't crash and burn horribly is because this is getting included in this. Okay, that's the reason why this works in these all words. But what this is effectively doing is every single header file in your entire engine gets put inside of this file. But
Because we're gonna have to do the same, whatever we do for this.
I mean, this is you're not going to be able to do this without macros. It's already using macros.
Yeah, I'd rather have macros than macros that somebody else has to type in. Because this is squirreled away. Now you don't have to worry about it. We could undefine those macros on the way out of this file.
Yes, but this code is not. The way that I handle this, actually,
So what I'm thinking is, if those functions. Wait, let's go back to that chart.
Yoga. Put it back.
Well, Tempest Engine needs to rely on the component.
Get out of here, OBS. Let me go. My OBS is acting weird.
Even if I was to remove that necessity, the truth is.
But I should be good now.
It's relied upon.
Welcome back for anyone, the one who's watching. Today I'm going to be trying to work on the animations for the game a little bit more. I feel like they're a little bit slow. But hey, how do I sound? Like, no, I can move up though. Yeah, and I got another controller, so now they move at the same time. Yeah. All right. Enough of that.
So instead of having,
I thought it would be a good thing for me to work on the animations a little bit, since this is my 7th day and I get a nice shiny badge for for finishing my 7th. So this seems like a fun thing. Yep, never used. I'm gonna fix that by it popped me to it. Will it? It won't. I get it. What if I... Usually a warning comes up down here, and I can have it run that way. But if not, I'm gonna ignore it. Yeah, that's not the focus. Focusing on getting this guy's animation to look a little bit better. And again, I did a little bit more research. I not only do I have to not only do I have to like make it feel better, I also want to give it like that actual walking animation that I do have, and I have a couple solutions for it. I think the one that I'm going to use is to use the sprite sheet and then use this animation setting over here to determine the number of frames and then choose which frames I want to key in. Because then I can keep my code the same, and it gives me a little bit more to work with. So instead of messing with this guy right here, I'm gonna make it on the side.
So then we're just looking.
It's gonna be an animated. No, it's not gonna be animated sprite. Actually, I'm not gonna make it on the side. Or I am. I still am. I still can. Because if it breaks, I want to be able to get back to like what I was originally working on really quick. So just give me a sprite. And what you can do is you can actually load in the whole map or the tile sheet, and which I thought was pretty interesting. I'll just load in the tile sheet as my texture, and then count how many rows and columns it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 going horizontal. I'm gonna write that down. And how many going vertical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 going vertical. And you just enter in that to the animation. So vertical frames, I said 8. Horizontal, we have 13. Boom. And now I can switch between frames. 1, 2. And the benefit of doing this, frame 0, me clicking, the benefit of me doing that is it allows me to be more compact when it comes to exporting the project. It'll only have to reference one sprite or one texture, and I can get rid of the rest of the textures that I have loaded in there. It'll make the executable that much smaller. Yay. Let me go ahead and bring this up some. Zoom in on this guy. Yeah. Bring him over. Boom. And now what I can do, I can add a track on this sprite. I'm going to call this sprite for now. Or animation playback track. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just go find where my guy is. He's probably, so it's 8 by 13. That's how many frames there are total. Or I multiply, pull out my calculator, because I don't do math. Let me see how high I can go. 13 times 8. There's 104 frames in this. That doesn't look like 104 frames. Is my math off? What if I type in 100? I'm surprised. What am I messing up here? 104 frames, really? Okay, well, I can kind of see my guy down there. He's like on the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 13. Man, math. I'll find him. I should probably just keep this calculator up. 4 times 13, 52 is the 52nd frame. I believe that. 52? That looks like him. And if I go 53, and then if I go 54, yep, those are the 3 frames. I'll probably double them up, honestly. So let's start with 52. Yep, pretty new track. There's my guy. I need to zoom in on this using this tool. I don't, because each frame is probably going to have to be a 1/10 of a second if I want to make it 1 second, which right now it's half a second, and that's kind of slow. Meh. Boom. Yeah. Oh, this is for bump. What am I doing? Let me get rid of this. So I have walk. I'm gonna have to rename it to walk down. There we go. Yep. Let's go ahead and put that there. I'm kind of upset that whatever's going on. Okay, I was like, why is he so off? Yeah. Now he should just be moving in place. What if I turn this position? I'll keep that for now. Well, no, I won't. I'll just get rid of that. There. Because it's going to be gone later anyway. Fix mic, dude. Or let's hide that. So there, and then 53. Key it, and then 5. Okay. 55. Wait, did I skip one? Did I skip 53? I sure did. Man. Oh no, okay. What the heck? It just knew. Interesting. It's like, yeah, you probably want the next one. That's too smart. Stop it. Yeah, you knew which one I wanted. I wanted the next one. Boom. And then I think I can multi-click and grab all 3. Nice. Duplicate keys. Boom. Turn this to 6 seconds. 0.6. 0.5. Let's see where this goes. Where's this at? Time 0.5. Okay. Do I not know how to? I had an initial one. I forgot. 0.5. Or no, I swear I'm smart. I keep telling myself. Duplicate. Well, select over here. Click over here. Duplicate. Now let's walk. Wait. Cool. Why is it stopping? Why is it stopping there? Okay, that's just an error with the cursor, it looks like. Walking down. And we're gonna check it out. Walk underscore down. And the interpolate property should still be the position. from that icon position. We're gonna change that to sprite position. The direction. Vector 2, animation player, current animation. Let's see what we get when we do this. I don't know. Okay. It definitely has to be faster than that. So let's go back to the animation. We'll move it in. Everybody gets half a second. Can I go that? No, I have to change my snap size to like 0.05. We gonna walk faster. And then change this to 0.3, 0.4. Or this is at 0.3. That's technically in there. Well, I mean, it's at 0.3. I don't know if it'll actually play it. That is so quick. Let's run that one. Maybe that's better. Not really. It's just so quick. You can't even see him walking. Maybe I have too many frames. And it should only be 3 frames or 4 frames. That one and that one will delete. We'll put you there. We'll put you there. And there. That's pretty evenly spaced. Now let's try that. Maybe I just had too many frames going on. Now he's at. Still kinda quick. What if I remove this one? I'm not so sure that these guys should be. That it. I don't know. It doesn't feel good. What if I put it on repeat? Oh, let's just watch it. Let's just. It does look like his feet are moving, but it's just so quick. It's just so quick. Yeah, it's just jittering that leg. Stop jittering your leg. 0.1, 0.2. Maybe it's because his arms are moving that it looks like a little weird. And I mean, it's not like I can do anything crazy with it. You know what? This is just gonna be acceptable for now. It's okay. Duplicate key. Yeah. And I'll do the rest of them. Walk down. A new one called walk up. You know, he's running like crazy. And that's going to be 55. Create 56. Man, you guys are just on point with this. It's auto counting stuff. 50. Oh, it went back. Maybe I should just add them all and then move them all. 57, 58. Cool. 0.3 seconds. And then duplicate key. Boom. Should I have been using the ones below it? 60, 59, 64, 65. So 65 and 53, 52, 65. Gives him a little dude. I like 65. 65 to 67. $65. 66 and 67. I'll make this one 65 also. Just so quick. Okay, let's stop looping that too. Just remember to take that off. So 68. 69, 70. Let's see if he turns into a block accidentally. 67, 68. It's like so quick. Okay. Next, walk left and walk right. Here's what I'll do. You walk right. Walk left. Let's go see. Let's try 79. Close. 80. 81. There we go. But I need like 89. I need something higher than that. Or 13 higher, which is 94 maybe? 94. 94. Yep. 95. And 96. 95 and 96. Okay, I'll duplicate this. Easy enough. Yep, way back there for whatever reason. Name that 94. Boop. And then let's play it. Look how quick it was. 1.3. Oh man, that almost looked normal. Am I doing this all wrong? Should it be... Am I doing this all wrong? I saw what looked like a locking animation. Dang it, snap's gotta be at 0.5. 0.05. Bring this back. Bring this closer. Bring this closer. Duplicate. Bring that back. This still might be too fast. Duplicate. Dang it. I would do that. Bring that back. So, yep. 95, 96. Are 95 and 96 the same frame? They are. Okay. Didn't realize that it's only a 2-frame animation. Whatever, let's play it right here. Boop, boop. That looks like walking. It's all janky. Well, it doesn't look janky actually. I'm actually pretty comfortable with this. And he goes back to center when he's done too. That's kind of entertaining. I'm gonna try that out. Walk left. In my code. Just change this to walk left. Maybe that looks fine. Walking left. Kinda may go back here.
Also, since we only need you to find assignments for undergrad, he's giving us CSP, A-Star, and we already did vacuum, and so then
Feels a little delayed, like you moved there.
I think that would be
You moved there so quickly.
no.
You
because he
moved
said
there
you
so
do it
quickly.
3:30,
Like,
you can't do it. And you know, I was thinking about that, and that may be possible, but also there was a reason I didn't do rush hour.
what if I...
But he may look at us and be like, "You're undergrad," which is that's why I didn't think about it. Because the second thing I want to do is, do you remember the chocolate?
What if I swap these? Is that gonna break anything?
I want to program the AI that did that. Yeah, we need 5. Oh, wait. Okay, so vacuum, not shower, but we can't.
No, it doesn't really change much.
A-star was admissible.
You just
Nearest standard search for genetic algorithms. That's in ASC. Evolution strategies in ASC. Alpha, beta.
that does look better though.
We haven't gone over that. Constraint. CSP, which we will do. Propositional logic. So.
Oh, yeah, this came up, so I can ignore it. Ignore delta. Thank you.
Unless it's like.
Get that out of my debugger. So now when I run it, no more bugs.
He did say it's
Yeah.
extremely difficult, which makes me a bit nervous. And he may tell me that I shouldn't tackle it unless I have a lot of time to dedicate to it.
I should ask in the beginning. I asked them both for to move somewhere. And yeah, while I'm here doing this, it'll be get parent that request. It'll be this right here. Control C. Oh no, okay, and I can pass in nothing. Instead of passing in a direction, I'll pass in no direction.
What I was thinking is you had a pure wall of just ones against.
Will this pop my guys into place? Or will this break things?
Or not, and then you just skip one all the way down.
Yeah, kinda, sorta.
Do some.
Doesn't really do anything. Okay.
Now, what if you run into a sheer wall and every single linear
I'll just
number except for the edges?
give them the correct value later.
And you just
Back to
know all
animating.
is mine, and then you're like,
It's 96, 94, 95, 96, 94, 96, 94, 95, 96, 94, 95. Okay. Block right. Which is gonna look like to the right.
oh, the whole
91. There we go.
One column is the tiles that are like the other column.
Create. There, that's all I really
It's
need.
the two middle are not one.
So I can duplicate, make it 0.3. And duplicate. And duplicate.
1/3 down would say 2. Because both
Change
of
the
these
snap.
corners are
0.05. There we go.
one. Well, no, that's what I'm
And
saying.
duplicate.
Oh, the top and the bottom are the ones that are unknown.
So 91, well, which should be
Because the two
93.
numbers in the middle would say 2. Actually, all 4 of them would say 2. No, wait.
96. Yep.
But that's
92.
that's why I actually really like the puzzle. is
92.
because when you get to the really large grid questions, you gotta really think about it. And I have
93. 91. Okay, let's see what I.
So when you guess those tiles and it says like a 3 or something like that. I think Minesweeper inherently has a couple rules about its design that make it possible. Because like I said, if you run into a sheer wall of just mine, you know that whole wall is mine. But
It is 5, so
you have to guess.
walk right.
So I think that's one condition Minesweeper will never put you against is a full line, whether it's horizontal or vertical. Yeah, because diagonal is still possible to know where it does not.
They're close. Okay, I got some animations done. They're kind of rough. They're really rough, but
Actually generate
now I can come over here and input what I need to get them to move. Get input. Yeah, this right here. I should really be putting into a function instead of having it in process. Oh well. I'm gonna change the animation based on a variable called animation name.
That's half the battle is not knowing what you don't know.
And I guess say by default. Oh, Control C. It'll be equal to walk
I couldn't find, so my laptop's brick has
Down.
the brick and its wire, and then the wire that plugs to the wall and then into the
Control
brick.
C.
I couldn't find that ladder wire, and then I remembered.
and I'll mess them up over here.
Turns out it uses the same cable. And so it's like a foot long cable, but it works for the PS3. That's the only way I can get it to work.
Walk left. Control C. Walk right. Walk up. And walk down. Boom. Same thing here. Walk left. Walk right. Walk up. And walk down. I wonder if the fact that they're separate, they get their own separate animation player, I believe. We're gonna find out. Oh, they do. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, I need to change the. Now here's the real test. Fight first the survival. I'm gonna change this to animation name. Now we can see what I broke. Yes. They both get their own animation player. Yes. Okay. Oh, and I have nothing playing for Bump now. So I need to do a similar thing for Bump. I'll just probably still have him shake, honestly. Player. But instead of using the icon, I'll use the sprite. Animation player. Bump used to use something, but now it's not. You're gonna use transform. Yeah. It's only gonna go for roughly 3 seconds. That also might be too long. 5 seconds. We'll try that out. So there, and then I'll duplicate the key here. Nice. And now just move your position wherever crazy. Change this to 0.05. Nice, I'm glad it reset. Oh. Transform, boom. Yeah, that position. And in this position, oh, can I do that? Yeah, I thought it froze for a second. And this position. And this position. Kind of go crazy there. Let's see what this makes. Right, play it. Okay, yeah, just all over the place. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. That was bad. But I will. What if I just had you shake the value on the X? Let's. Negative 15. Ooh. Where is that? Okay. Positive 15. 0. I'll get rid of that. Nice, delete does actually work, the delete key. I'll move this over here, this over here. Let's see what that looks like. I will put another frame in here. I'll make, yes, 2.5, which is good. I'll duplicate that key. Duplicate key. Play it. Yep. A little shake. Move this to 0.2. Call it good. I can't give him a worried face. But bump. Now, in my code, I can just play bump. Nice. Let's bump. No. 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 I could do bump up, left, down, and right, but... Or... What happens if I rotate my guy? I did see that rotate thing before. Nah. That's good for now. I can try to go for some sound effects for the bump at least. I think I added some a couple days ago. Resources, no. Assets. Audio. UI. Nice. Let's add an audio player to this guy. Audio stream player. I just need a regular one. Stream, new audio stream. New audio stream sample? Sure that. Or can I drag this over? Will this? I don't know what that is. Play it though. Oh. That was nice. Nope, but not the key I wanted. Oh, I have my headset still connected. I need to disconnect that so I can hear what's going on. There we go. Play it. Me and my hotkeys. Analog output. Nope. Go change my output settings to my speakers. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's like a little pitter patter. Let's see. It's like a rapid firing. Yeah, I'm not very versed in audio, but it's gonna play when we move, that's for sure. Or I'm gonna try at least. Audio stream player dot play. Whenever you move. I don't know how this is gonna be, if this is gonna do anything, but we'll see. Oh yeah, that's longer than I thought it was gonna be. It's like a super long click. Nice. I don't know how long it is either. Play. Well, just play from. Maybe one of these other ones are quieter. Or shorter? Resource. Let's drag this one over. Yep, like a bajillion. Oh, there it is. Yep. I need it to like not repeat though. No idea. Or like I have 15 minutes. I can do some research. Oh, let me re-import it because they're looping, and I don't need that at all. Re-import. I think I can do that for multiple too. No looping. Off. There. Or forgot to hit re-import. Re-import. Looping is off. I will get this. Do not loop. No loop. Re-import. You know what? F. I'll do them one at a time. Re-import. Cool. Let's play it now. I can take that. And I'll probably do the same thing I did for the animation player for the audio. Because I want them to have different sounds. To be honest, it's a script. Player. So animation name, and then I'll do another variable for sound name, audio name, and I have a click 1 and click 2. I'm definitely using click 2. I like it. .ogg. Yeah, let's go with that. Or I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need the file path for that. For these, Control V. There. I'll grab the other one in a second. So animation. Oh, I guess I'm just playing the animation name, and then we're waiting for it to finish. Yeah, we're not gonna wait for the sound to finish. No, just gonna let that go. But I will put it up here, and I need to set the audio stream player's name. So it's like set something. Set. I had it up here. Or I'm going to in a second. Audio stream. Or not. I'm gonna learn to do it this way. Set stream. It's probably not set stream either. It's probably just stream equals. But let me trust but verify. Where is the audio stream player? Methods: get playback position, play, seek, and stop. Finished. Cool. And I can just set it normally. And then in get input, should I really be setting the name here? Can I do this easier? I can. Well, like, I'll put this one above. Like, here's some random player 1 stuff. Or no, not there. Man, weird that I set it up this way. Possibly just a new function. So it's like this right here is starting to get unwieldy. Okay, really the check is if ID is equal to Clarity 1. Then the audio name is going to be something else. I'll Control C, Control V. We'll change it to clip one. Yeah, this should be like play walk or walk sound. Oh, broke it. How do I switch? So it can't be a string. You know, play multiple sounds. Something like that. Let's see what comes up. Audio streams. Multiple audio streams. You know what? I'll just look up base sound from code. How to play sounds. Look, right on the okay, forum. So this is 2006. I don't think this works anymore. Do I have to add one to the it's showing me that I don't get those anymore. You know what? I probably have to add it. Let's script 2D. Let's go back to the player. I'll add one. And well, I will see what adding does. Play, autoplay, pitch scale, get playback position, play seek, stop. And audio stream. Oh, it was opening. I probably opened up a bajillion of them now. Yep. I think this brings me back to this page, yeah. We got 6 minutes. They may just both have the same sound for now. Until I can do more about it. Player. So like it's all of this needs to go. Can I Toggle comment. There we go. If I comment it all out, they both should move using the same sound. I do want to change it later, but I'm running out of time. But now I have animation and a little walking sound. Oh, add a bump. I'll think about adding a bump sound too. I think one of these would work really nice. If they weren't repeating all the time. Thank you. Re-import. Switch. That's annoying, yeah. Audio stream player. Like, I gotta do more research on audio streams before I do more sounds. Unfortunately, I thought I could add multiple sounds. Oh well. I'm still pretty happy with what I got so far. It was a nice 7. It's day 7. Making my game come more alive. But so I think next tomorrow I'm gonna focus more on getting the actual game logic in. Because that's the next step. Like being able to push these blocks. I think that's a good goal. And then I thought about a little bit of how I want to implement it too. Ooh. Wait, if I put... Yeah, you guys can just grab on top of each other. I have 60 seconds. Can I fix that? What if this is commented out? Then they can't get on top of each other. Ish. I gotta place him in the game eventually too, like, because that word snap. Can you guys get on top of each other now? No. That's good for now. Yeah, sound to accompany the bump would probably be cool too. Like something a little bit more higher toned or pitched. And let's see. Yeah, it wasn't, so I'll just comment it out and be sad. Oh well. Looks like that'll be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Oh shit. Jay, no, what am I working on? I'm working on a challenge called the 100 Days of Game Development, where you're supposed to make, or at least work on one aspect of a game for 100 days straight. It started last week, and it was supposed to line up with the last day of the year, which is nice. They have a Discord, and the person who started it also posts things on Twitter, which is nice. If you wanna to join, I can send you a link, or I can probably send it over this, over the chat tool that I'm using, because it's actually really fun, and there's like a lot of friendly people there who are willing to help. It's been really organized, and I'm really happy to like have finished my 7th day. It wasn't my 7th day in a row, but it's still like 7 days I'm doing this straight. Like, I'm pretty proud with how far I've already gotten, and I say eventually I hope by the end of it that I'll have a finished game that I can ship and like put on my resume and say I did this thing. So yeah, let's say I'm gonna stop streaming, but I can still talk to you over chat, or anyone else who joins. I can talk to you guys over chat. I'll still be on that for a little bit while I like write my retrospective for the day and make my post. So let me go ahead and stop this.